How to create a new Apple ID. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you create a new Apple ID. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that you can directly create your Apple ID from the settings or you can create it from the browser. Simply open browser on your iPhone. I'm using Safari here. After you open browser, in the source field, you'll have to search for appleid.apple.com. After you search for that, at the top right, simply tap on drop down arrow. Now from here, tap on create your Apple account. From here, as you have to provide your first name, last name, country or region, month, day or year. As usual, you'll have to provide your email demo like name@example.com. After that, enter a password or set a password. As usual, provide your country code and phone number. You can check for the option verify with text message or phone call. After that, check the option and enter the captcha. Now from there, simply tap on continue. Let me begin with this process. After that, simply tap on continue. Now from here, you'll have to verify with the verification code that will send to your Gmail account. After you verify with that, also you'll have to verify with your phone number. After you verify with that, you'll be able to successfully create a new Apple account and you can log in by using your credential that you have set in, and after that you can just log out your current Apple account and log back to your another new account, and that's it. This is the easiest way to create new Apple account on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.